Kreitz Market, friends. So let me show you what's going on out in Lockhart. We do have some low clouds kind of creeping in over the area, but not expecting anything to fall out of those clouds. It is much warmer out there compared to yesterday. We are up about 5 to 10 degrees with that 24-hour temperature change. Leaves us in those 70s for most locations. 78 in Austin, 77 Bastrop, same thing Lockhart, 76 Marble Falls, 74 out in Fredericksburg. Gillespie County, nice and comfortable. Good morning to you. High temperatures today, well into the 90s. Forecast high 98. For perspective, yesterday topped out at 94. We're going to be looking at morning clouds, midday sunshine, and then a few isolated storms with some of those puffier clouds building in late afternoon, evening. I do anticipate the heat to be a problem because not only are we hotter than yesterday, we've got more humidity than yesterday. So here's where your actual air temperatures will be. When you tack on that humidity, it's going to feel anywhere from 100 to 105. And we're going to do this tomorrow and again the next day and the next day. This is going to be a problem, I think. This is an early start to this summer-like feel here with these temperatures in the 90s and that high humidity. Let's talk storm chances, because when it comes to the later part of today, a few isolated storms may bubble up, especially in the hill country, some of which could be strong to severe. This is about a 10 to 20% chance of seeing a few isolated storms. I don't anticipate most of us to see these storms, but we'll have to watch it not only this afternoon, but this is a couple of days now that this high resolution computer has shown this cluster of storms dropping down from the north overnight. This is the midnight hour. I think the coverage is still a little too much. I think the computer's being very generous with this, but I can't completely rule out a few isolated storms overnight in addition to that afternoon threat. We still have a low severe risk in the hill country, 1 out of 5. Damaging winds and hail will be the two top concerns here, but the rain chances will come up today. They'll drop back down to nothing Friday, Saturday as high pressure moves in. Then look at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I know the timing's not great because we do have Memorial Day plans, whether that be honoring those who've given the ultimate sacrifice with the ceremonies. We also have, a lot of lake plans probably. This, unfortunately, I think is going to impact a lot of that, especially the later you wait on Monday. But there is some good rain potential coming. 1/4 of an inch to maybe pockets of 1 to 2 inches. We need it. We'll take it. We've got to take it as it comes too, even if it does line up for the weekend. But that's going to be on the back end of the 7-day. In the meantime, it's going to be mainly dry with just some isolated storms bubbling up. Hill country and again overnight. You'll notice the high temperatures will be in the upper 90s all the way through Sunday. And then not only are we talking meaningful storm chances Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, look at the drop in temperatures. Cold front brings us down to even slightly below average. Highs only in the mid 80s Tuesday and Wednesday. Erica?
All right, thank you so much.